Guys, I literally don't know how to tell you this, but the best logo creator out there, hands down, by far, right now, is Kittl, right? I want to check you a few bits on Kittl right now. But guys, listen, you know me, man. You know me. I use all different kinds of platform software, and I'm telling you now, Kittl is the one. Look at this. I just typed in uh on the platform logo right in the middle on the search bar, right in the middle, right? Check this out, right? I typed in logo and then I'm just going down. Now, it has an array of different types of logo styles that you can use as a sort of platform to create your own style. And I'll explain what I'm talking about. But what I like about Kill, and you know me, I've used Canva, I've used all sorts of those, if you like, those platforms that generate logos for you. And I will definitely say, hands down, the quality of Kittl. And if you look at it and you see the quality, is hands down absolutely fantastic. And what it does, it caters for many different sort of people, targets, or whatever it may be. It caters for everybody. It's got these different styles, you know, whether it be you're looking for the retro style or you're looking for that sort of that vintage style. It could be any style that you're looking for, but it can literally give you many different types and flavors. Now, listen, don't get me wrong, Canva's quite good and it's got different styles also. But I think with Kittl, it has an added design style element. And what I mean by that is it's Kittl is more for your designer, if you like. Is more geared for designers and rather than the general. And I feel like they've got, and you've seen my playlist on Kittl. They do. There's so many things that you can use with it. Um, and you know you can be specific as well. And what's good about Kittl as well is they're very much on trend. So you could see that these designs, some of these designs are also, some of the styles are very popular right now. And what's beautiful and easy about this is, you know, you could look at a sort of design style, right? You could that you may like, right? It could be anything, you know, it could be, let's have a look. Let's see something that you might like, man, that you might like. Let's just click on this sort of shark logo style, right? I mean, the great thing about it is it gives you like a sort of platform to go ahead and do various things with it. So let's say you like something there. Now, obviously, you can do many different styles to it, right? You got the Y2K. It actually tells you what's popular. I mean, this is what's crazy about this. It gives you the popular collections, for example, right? So you got on the side here with all your tools and various other things. So if I click on these, you've got the popular, if you like, logo styles, right? It basically is telling, it shows you what's popular. It's going through the ones that are popular. Right, you know, with these ones. So some of these styles are very popular right now. And obviously what you can do is you can do various things with them. You know, you can actually change the writing, change the colors. You can see the color palettes are here for this style one. Let me just zoom in very quickly, right? Let me just zoom in very quickly. So for example, you see this one, you can obviously change the color style. If you want to change the writing also, you can do that. If I want to change the writing totally, I can change that. I just put change. The change studio, man. The change studio, right? I've got various things that I can do. I can change the font style, you know, I can change the background, the border, the text, the trim. I can do everything to them. That's the beautiful thing, you know, telling you what the text, the typeface is here. You got the size of the font, you got the gap, you got the text shading, you got offset, you got the angle, and you can really transform these logos into something really original, something that is yours. And this is what I'm saying, the Y2K aesthetics, and it gives you those popular styles, right? So you know these ones are for sure some of the popular styles that people love, and you know you can actually just transform these, you know, into your own. Let me just go to this one, move tool. Okay, so now that I clicked on it, I mean, look, this thing is amazing because not only can you start, which I'm going to show you very quickly. Look, you can click on any part of this, and start manipulating, start changing. You know, on the side here, you have all the tools that you need to change the text, whether it be the text style, whether it be the text font, whether it be the weight of the text, whether it be the text border, whether it be transforming the text. You know, the text shading is literally anything that you want. You got the colors there, the offset, the angle. You know, so if I just type in, say, change, using the same font style, not change anything else. I just wanted to show you like how just the word itself would change. I can do that, and obviously I can go ahead and do various other things with the colors of the actual design itself. Now, what's really interesting as well with Kittl is that it also, you know, tells you what's popular right now in terms of the logos, and this is very important. You know, you want to be able to, especially if you're creating logos to sell, you want to create trending logos. So look at this on the side here. You've got various templates, right? And it gives you, it's telling you what's popular right now. So if I just go to show all, it'll give you all the kind of design styles that are popular, right? So for example, you a Y2K collection, you can see it there. If I just click on it now, you can see there's a collection of some designs where, you know, again, you can actually put your own tip, your own slant on these logos itself. You know, you can go into one of these and actually, you know, change it up as well. So you got here, you got it in black and white. You might want to add color to it and then change the font, change the writing, but keep the general design style, which is again really interesting. You know, like I just put the word change, right? So change future. I've just changed it really quickly, like, but it's so interesting that Kittl is so intuitive that it gives you some of the popular designs right now, and the things that you can do to it is absolutely fantastic. I mean, look, like I said, on this side here, you've got all the things that you could do, whether it be adding color, changing the font style, and so forth. And then it gives you various other collections that you could look at. Like I said, it's quite an endless thing. So if I go back and look at, you can search, you know, whether it be typography, vintage logo designs that can work, whether it be typography styles. And again, some of these vintage ones, which are absolutely fantastic logos, you know, the vintage style. Look at this retro sort of style. And again you can see, um, this style, which is another quite an interesting one, where you can again change the different parts of the writing to suit what you want to say, whilst keeping that whole design style. And like I said, the quality that I see that Kittl has for this is absolutely top class. And like I said, I've used different software packages, different platforms that do have, if you like, logo generators, or, you know, trending logos. But I think that this one, Kittl, truly does have some of the trending designs, because you can also see what's selling well, which, so it's almost like it gives you the idea, the hint of what sells well. Now the thing is, it's not only about what it has in terms of their own platform, the system where they actually have these popular designs, but it's about creating them too. And you can do that, and which is like phenomenal with Kittl, is that you can actually create logos yourself. So you might say, vintage, let's say vintage car logo, right? So basically, using prompts, you can create your design, and it can generate it for you. So I've just typed in vintage car logo. I haven't gone into massive amount of detail, but my advice to you, if you wanted to create a logo through them, through their prompts, is give as much detail as possible. So for example, if I was to produce something like this on screen, I would probably describe what kind of car it is. I would say that there's trees, it's on a pathway, it's got the mountains in the background, and so forth. Get into a bit more detail, maybe talk about the colors. But I've just literally gone very basic with this generator for the sake of this video. And then I've clicked to generate. So when I click generate, it's going to generate, hopefully for me, a few ideas. You can see that it's already working on it right now. Hopefully it's going to work on some ideas for me. So as you can see right now on my screen, it's actually created a design for me, right? So this design right now on my screen is what is created, which is amazing, right? And again, you can so look at this. I actually wanted a vintage car logo, and it has given me a vintage car logo, right? Which is fantastic. Now, like I said, I would probably get into a little bit more detail and go into it a little bit more. But this is sort of gives you an idea that not only does it have designs, you can actually create your own with them. And there's various things, obviously, then you can actually work on, whether it be upscaling it, background remover. If I click the AI background remover, for example, which is really quick, where it can just get rid of a background if you just want to keep the sort of logo middle design. You can see right now that it's kept the design here in the middle, right? You can just see it. So I got something in the background, so it's slightly distracting. But let me just enlarge it so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see that over here. You can see that I've got the design here. You can see it right there, which is fantastic without the background. So you can actually create your own designs yourself using Kittl. Not only does it have a fantastic library where you can change and then make it into your own, but you can actually create your own designs through its amazing AI, through its prompts, image generator, and you can do that too. So definitely go and check it out, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. Really, really is on trend as well, which is important. But yeah, hope you like the video. Do try it out. Free access is right there for Kittl. Try it out for free. I'm sure you're going to love it. Take care.